going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Walk Away as the Door Slams by Lil Peep and Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you can never miss a new tutorial, or I will spinning back kick your soul out of your body. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, you guys, this song is pretty simple. It's in standard tuning. You're only using 4 different chords, and the easiest way to do this is just going to be using the power chords for these. You can use the full bar chords, but the power chords are going to work just fine for you. First one is going to be here. It's going to be 4, 6, 6. And if you want the full bar chord, it's G sharp minor. So it's 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4. Next chord is going to be E major. I play it as 0, 2, 2 with my index finger just holding down 2 on both the A and the D string. But it is an E major chord, which is 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Then it goes back to the G sharp power chord. Then it goes down to F sharp major, which the power chord is just 2, 4, 4. But the full bar chord is 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Now once you get those chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern. It's just a simple down, 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 up, down, 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 up throughout all the chords. Now I want to say in the very beginning of the song, it goes G sharp to E, and then G sharp, and then to E, and that's at the very beginning. And then the rest of the song, it just goes G sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp. Just does that over and over and over again. But in the beginning, I believe it is G sharp, E, G sharp, E, and then after that, it does the other chord progression that just repeats throughout the song. So with the strumming pattern, it looks like this: down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.